In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tools using Relevance AI. Whether you're looking to amplify your productivity or streamline processes, building tools with AI can be incredibly empowering. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Relevance AI marketplace. Consider this your starting point where all the magic begins. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. This will be your hub for accessing different AI tools and resources. Next, you'll want to click on Tools. This section is essentially a repository filled with various applications and functionalities that you can use or modify to fit your specific needs. Clicking here is like opening a toolbox. It gives you access to all the essential elements you'll need on your journey. Now let's create something new. Click on New Tool, which will allow you to start from scratch or with a template. It's a bit like opening a blank canvas with plenty of creative opportunities at your fingertips. But remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel entirely. The platform provides templates that are ready to be customized. One of the swiftest ways to get moving is by cloning an existing tool template. This means you'll copy a predefined set of parameters and configurations, so you're not starting from zero. It can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're new to this. After that, you'll want to connect integrations and large language models, or LLMs, to build an AI workflow for your agent. Think of integrations as bridges that connect different software for seamless operation, while LLMs bring the intelligence to your tools, capable of understanding and processing the information as you instruct. Following this setup, look for the Import button and give it a click. This is your gateway to bring in data or additional settings that can amplify what you've built. It's like importing additional assets that will empower your tool to function excellently. Then click on the designated box to input your prompt. Here's where you tailor the AI's response to fit your particular context or challenge. Customizing these prompts allows you to fine-tune how the AI interacts and processes requests. Up next, start building what is known as a vibe code tool. This is a specialized feature that helps you in creating and managing specific functions within your AI tool. Think of it as coding the personality or style of your tool, giving it its unique vibe, so to speak. Finally, all that's left is to click on Start. This action propels your newly crafted tool into action. Take a moment to celebrate your progress, as you've just crafted a custom AI tool that can now begin to assist you or your team in achieving your goals. And there you have it. You've explored the essential steps to create tools with Relevance AI. Don't hesitate to experiment and refine your tools as you see fit. Thank you for tuning in, and happy building.